Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow routine, and I'm going to show you how I do my brows. And I only use like 2 products, but yeah, so I'm going to do this brow because I'm only gonna do one brow. And yeah, let's get started. Now I got a bellyache. Okay, so the product that I use first is this Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade. Everyone uses this one, and I got this like last month. So yeah, and it's Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in this shade Ebony, if you can't, Ebony. And I'm going to use this Spoolie brush. It's a BYS brow tool, and it has this angled brush on the other side, and on the other side I have this brow brush. But I don't really use this one because if I keep using it, I can't really change the brush and it will get dirty, so I'm not doing that. So shade Ebony, it's like really dark, but yeah. So I'm first going to brush my brows. I only use this when there's no like product yet, and then I'm just going to dip my brush very slightly onto the pomade, and then I'm going to draw a line on the bottom part of my brow, on the outer half, and I'm just going to do it very lightly like that. And I'm going to take more product, like I'm just going to build it up until to the coverage that I want it to, like to the how dark I want it to, because you can change the you can make it really natural or like really dark, and I like it like really dark. I don't know why, but well, it depends on the sometimes I like it really like natural and like sheer kinda, but sometimes I like it dark. So okay, so I drew a line. If you can't see, like there's a line right there, and I'm going to extend the brow a little bit because my brows are short, like they're like really short. So this is what it looks like so far. And then I'm now going to the top of my brow, and I'm going to draw a line again on the outer half like that. So I sometimes do it really dark, but today I'm not doing it dark. Well, it depends. And then I'm just like filling it in like that, like just brushing, and I'm just outlining it and filling it in like that. That's how it looks like yeah. And then I'm going to dip it in slightly. I'm not going to take a lot of product because we're doing the front part and we don't want like boxy, like really square. So we're just going to like slightly fill it in. We're just going to dip it in, fill it in. So that's how I fill in my brows. Like look at the difference, like it's like really, it's not that different, but that's how I do it. Like I outline it, and then I fill it in. I brush upwards on the front so it's not that harsh, and that's what I do. And then I don't really like it this light. I really like it dark, but I don't know why. It's really light today, so I'm doing it light. And then I'm just going to brush that. Like that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline Browdrama Brow Gel in the shade Dark Brown and just brush my brows so it to set my brows in place. And when I first started wearing makeup, this is like one of the first products I bought, and I just brushed my brows and not fill them in. It's so funny. So that is one brow, and I'm gonna do this brow. So these are my brows. I like them. I really like them, not gonna lie. And I'm gonna show you like a before and like here. But yeah. And I hope you enjoy this video, and like, subscribe, comment, but no hate, because I don't like hate. I don't like hate. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe. Yeah, bye.